All right, we got the Dolphin Grays. You know, I hate Dolphin Gray. I had my e-tron. Was that the edition 1? Only came in Dolphin Gray, but I don't know. I think I'm going to be able to really make this car, what do you call it? The Q3? Going to make this car look good, especially when let me get the rag again. When I really detail this bad boy. This one's going to need clay bar, compound, all that good stuff. And then I'm going to do Cerakote ceramic coating. First wash. I don't know what's going on with these headlights. I gotta figure that out. See what the heck that deal is. If I gotta get newer ones, I will. I don't care. Whatever. Good car. No issues coming home. I mean, car's got what, 88,000 miles on it. So, car ran good. Yeah, it's got an automatic. Didn't want automatic, but this one came up. I could not refuse it. Now, the funny thing is my B5 had automatic, and I didn't care because B5s, they have terrible manual transmissions. This car, I love a manual. And if you've seen before, we tried to buy another S4 with a manual, which I love. I truly do. I would never buy this car in automatic, but for the price I just paid, let's not tell them. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, I mean, yo, under 90,000 miles, no miss, nothing, wasn't abused. Believe it or not, this thing sold at Mika Motor Auction and went to the, I'll show you that. I'll even show the link and everything. And then it went to this guy. He had it for, a couple years. And, he only put like 2,000 miles on it. It's got the ghetto radio. That's got to come out. I'll give that thing away. Needs little things. Barely AC works, heat works, heated seats work. So top is having a little issue. It is kind of working, but not. But I will fix that. The glass, of course, is coming out. I will also do my best to fix that because I'm not changing the top. But I'll go through the whole process, and you'll see me restoring this car back to new. This will come out beautiful again. This will come back to black. The seats will come out beautiful again. On that dashboard, I guess somebody had a stupid suction cup on there. I'll get that off. But this is just the first wash. And this is what we're doing. We're getting it together. You know what I mean? Uh-oh. Look at this. Look at this crappy paintwork here. Look at that. See, it looks like all drip marks or something. That. Yeah. Overspraying here. Yeah, I get all that out. But for the money, it's definitely a nice ride. It really is. Yeah, it is. It was in the garage for a while. Wasn't being used. Guy who I bought it from was a real stand-up guy. Actually told me everything that was wrong with it. So he really did. Finally, a guy who actually, what he did was he actually answered stuff on Facebook Marketplace immediately. Can you imagine? The guy actually effing responded to me. And then I responded to him, and then he responded back. Amazing. It was just, I can't even imagine, right? So, it's good. It's definitely good. Yep. A little bit at a time, but this bad boy is going to go in the garage. And that's what always happens. New Q3. We'll have to stay out of the garage again, just like the other S4. And the microwave, you don't want to put those in your houses because it could blow up your whole house and burn it all to the ground. But it is what it is. The microwave is no good in the snow because it's got sport summer tires. So I need another car that's good for the snow, and this is